Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. With new chapter number 4, Introduction to Analytic Geometry. Geometry is a very basic and ancient branch of mathematics. Greeks worked a lot in this branch. And in 16th and 17th century, René Descartes, French mathematician, Descartes, he worked a lot. He also worked in this field, and he introduced algebraic method to solve this geometry, and this was the basis of analytic geometry. And it's a very important branch of mathematics. But in this chapter, we'll study very fundamental things, very basic things in this. And this analytic geometry is also known as coordinate geometry. As you know that what is a coordinate system? I will not take much of time on this, because you all know that what is a coordinate system. This is the xy axis plane. XY plane is called, this one is called XY plane. And if we place a point, any point here, P, it has two coordinates. One is x and the other is y. X coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. So when what is meant by this point? This point, the distance from this, that is x, and distance from this, that is y. And here, this type of this thing, we get a rectangular shape. So it is also known as two-dimensional rectangular system. Two-dimensional means there are two values, x and y. So it is also known as two-dimensional rectangular system. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, x is positive, y is also positive. In this, x negative, y positive. In this, both are negative, and here x positive, y is negative. So if any point is given, for example point -2, 3 is given, in which quadrant this point is lying? X is negative, y is positive. So x negative, y positive, it is in second quadrant. So this is the one thing about coordinate system. And second thing that you have already studied. For example, we have point A, x1, y1, and the other point B, x2, y2. So distance between two points, so that is called D. This is a symbol for distance. Absolute value of AB. Square root, positive square root, because it is a distance, always be a positive. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or it is also x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Doesn't matter whether you write x1 first or x2 first, because it is whole square. So whole square becomes a positive sign, whatever the value is there first. So x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. Same wise x by 2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2 whole square. They are distance formula. Other thing is midpoint. Midpoint of the line segment AB. AB is a line, and what is the midpoint? Midpoint is, this is a point A, this is point B. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2 within parenthesis, because midpoint is a point, and point we write in a parenthesis, and it has two coordinates x and y. So this is the formula for midpoint, and this is for distance. Now question number 1 is a oral question regarding describe the location in the plane. So when x is positive, where it is positive in first and second coordinate or upper half plane. So likewise all these locations you have to tell. So try to solve yourself. Question number 2, in the part A is 3, 1, B is minus 2, minus 4. Two things he is asking in the question: find the distance between the given points and midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points. So distance between A and B is D, that is AB with absolute sign, minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus 1 whole square. So it is 5 minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 whole square. So it is 25 plus 25, that is 50. So it is 5 into square root of 2. So this is a distance. And the second part, midpoint of the line segment AB is (3 minus 2 divided by 2) and 1 minus 4 divided by 2. 3 minus 2 divided by 2 and 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So we have 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. This is the midpoint. So distance formula simple, and simple is midpoint is here. Question number 3, he is saying which of the following points are at the distance of 15 units from the origin. So we have to find the distance from the origin. So let A 176 square root and 7 and O is 0, 0. So distance of A from origin is so 176 minus 0 whole square plus 7 minus 0 whole square. Here 176 cancelled plus 49. So 5, 2, square root of 225 is 15. So which is exactly given that which of the following points are at the distance of 15 units from the origin. So A is at the 15 unit from the origin. So find it if it is 15. So we write that the point is 15 units from the origin. If it is not equal to 15, so we just write that this is not at the 15 units from the origin. Now in question number 4, part 1, A is 0 2, B is square root of 3 minus 1 and C is 0 minus 2. He is saying in the question that show that the points are vertices of a right triangle. So first of all we find all three sides. AB square root of 3 minus 0 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square. So that is 3 square root of 3 square minus 3 square, that is 3 plus 9 square root of 12, that is 2 into square root of 3. BC square root of 3 minus 0 whole square plus minus 2 plus 1 whole square, that is square root of 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. So 3 plus 1, that is square root of 4, 2. AC zero minus 0 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square, that is 0 plus 4 whole square, that is 4. Now we check that square of by Pythagoras theorem AC whole square plus BC whole square is equal to AB whole square. From here it is very clear that 4 square plus 2 square is equal to square root of 12 whole square, or AC whole square plus AB whole square is equal to BC whole square. AC is 4 square plus AB is 2 into square root of 3 whole square is equal to BC 2 square. Or these are the three possibilities. If we solve 16 plus 4 is equal to 12, not possible. Here 16 plus 12 is equal to 4, not possible. Now the third option is that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So here 2 into square root of 3 whole square BC is 2 square, 4 square. So it is 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So 16 is equal to 16 by Pythagoras theorem. No need to prove it, no need to take all these three options. Just go for that I solved just to tell you. मैंने आपको सिर्फ बताने के लिए वो किया कि कैसे ये तीनों ऑप्शन आपके पास आ सकते हैं, बट आपको यहीं से पता चल रहा है कि 12 है और ये 4 है, स्क्वायर है इसका, और इसका स्क्वायर 16 है. सो 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. It is very clear. So here the answer is hence A, B and C are the vertices of right angled triangle. So ये this is the way आपने sides find करनी है, और अगर sides equal आ रही हैं, जिस तरह आप next part में वो कह रहे हैं कि whether these three sides are of isosceles triangle, so अब when you will find three sides, अगर उसमें से दो equal है, so it means that is isosceles triangle, so two sides are equal. So likewise अब वो अगर वो square का कहता है, yes, whether it is a square or not, for square we will have to find all four sides plus diagonals. Diagonals must be same. अगर diagonal same नहीं है, चार साइड सेम है, तो इट मीन्स वो रोम्बस हो सकता है स्क्वायर में. So this is a way how to find, but inshallah we will solve the questions, but try to get the concept of this very easy, not a difficult one. Thank you very much.